Is your Vizio TV remote not responding at all? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest fixes to get it working again. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's fix your remote right now. This problem usually happens because of dead batteries, dirty buttons, signal blockage, pairing issues, or internal dust inside the remote. Sometimes the remote is working, but the buttons are not making proper contact. Let's jump straight into the fixes. Step 1. Replace the batteries properly. Remove the old batteries and insert brand new ones. Make sure they are aligned correctly. Weak batteries are the most common cause. Step 2. Power reset your TV. Turn off your TV and unplug it for 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears system glitches. Step 3. Check for blocked signal. Make sure nothing is blocking the line between your remote and the TV. Clear any objects in front of the TV sensor. Step 4. Clean the remote and TV sensor. Use a soft cloth to clean the front of the remote and the TV sensor. Dust buildup can weaken the signal. Step 5. Test the remote with your phone camera. Open your phone camera and point the remote at it. Press a button. If you see a blinking light, the remote is working. If not, the issue is inside the remote. Step 6. Clean internal dust inside the remote. Carefully open the remote using a small tool. Gently clean inside using a dry cloth or soft brush. Dust inside can block button contacts and stop the remote from working. Step 7. Fix worn-out buttons using a simple trick. If some buttons are not responding, take a small piece of aluminum foil tip. Place it on the rubber button contact inside the remote. This helps restore the connection and makes buttons responsive again. Step 8. Reset the remote completely. Remove the batteries. Press and hold every button for about 10 seconds. This drains leftover power and resets the remote. Step 9. Repair the remote if needed. If you have a smart remote, press and hold the pairing buttons like OK and menu together for a few seconds until it reconnects to the TV. Step 10. Remove interference from nearby devices. Turn off nearby electronics like LED lights or routers temporarily. These can interfere with the signal. Step 11. Use the Vizio SmartCast app. Download the app on your phone and connect it to your TV. If the app works, your TV is fine and the remote is the problem. Step 12. Factory reset the TV as a last option. If nothing works, reset your TV to factory settings. This clears deep software issues. Here's a pro tip. If only a few buttons are not working, it is almost always due to worn-out contact pads inside the remote. Fixing them with foil or cleaning usually solves it instantly. If you're still facing issues, comment below and tell me exactly what's happening. I reply within 1 hour, and I'll help you fix it. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. We fix tech fast. See you in the next one.